There are thousands of online courses out there, so how do you make yours stand out and attract the right students? If you've ever thought, what if my course idea is already taken, or how do I compete with big name course creators? This video is for you. Today I'm sharing how to make your course unique so that people choose you over the competition. Step 1, infuse your personality and teaching style. People don't just buy courses for the information, they buy from people they connect with. You bring something unique to the table, your story, experience, and teaching style. Think about, how do you explain things differently? What's your unique approach? What's your personality? Structured, laid back, motivational? Don't be afraid to show up as you. That's what makes your course different. Step 2, get ultra specific with your niche. A broad course like how to start a business is hard to sell because it's too general. Instead, niche down to a specific audience or outcome like how to get your first 3 clients as a virtual assistant, Instagram growth for handmade product sellers, how to meal plan for families with picky eaters. A specific course is easier to market and attract students who need exactly what you teach. Step 3, focus on transformation, not just information. Your course isn't just about teaching, it's about getting results. Ask yourself, what big transformation will my students achieve? People don't want to just learn, they want a solution. Make sure your course promises a clear outcome, like go from 0 to 1,000 Instagram followers in 30 days. Land your first paid speaking gig in 60 days. Lose 10 pounds without counting calories. The clearer the outcome, the more compelling your course will be. Step 4, offer something others don't. Look at similar courses in your niche and ask, what's missing? You can stand out by adding personalized coaching or Q&A calls, a private student community, exclusive templates, swipe files, or workbooks, real-life case studies and examples. Adding extra value makes your course the obvious choice. Step 5, pre-sell your course and let your audience shape it. Instead of creating your course in secret, involve your audience before you launch. Ask them, what's your biggest struggle with topic? If I created a course on this, what would you want included? This ensures your course is exactly what people want, making it easier to sell. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what makes your course unique? And if you need help refining your course idea, grab my free course topic and naming guide at the link below. If you're ready to launch, get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi to start selling your course. Pro tip, pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. Now go create a course that stands out and gets results.